Hey there, everyone. It's great to see you in the comments. Got some hey, everyone. First here, congratulations, Krish Gupta. I'm glad you had a great time at Hack Around the World. Hang on, I gotta fix my setup here a little bit, I think. Maybe add a little bit of light. It's a little dark on the camera. Hopefully that's marginally better for you all. Wanted to demo a couple of projects before we get to opening ceremony. Or I'm sorry, not opening ceremony. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be terrible? Opening ceremony on Sunday. Do it all over again. But yeah, so let's check out a couple of cool projects. Wow, that's I really like the music you chose for that video, Sidroid. It was really a great project, very interesting idea. Okay, let's check out another demo. Anybody else wants to put their projects down for a demo, feel free to. We'd love to see them. I think I actually skipped this one, so let's do this one now.
Let's go into the app now. So this is the opening screen, splash screen. Now here is the home screen. This is Europe, and here is some information about European monuments. This is the Eiffel Tower in France. And this is the Colosseum in Rome. Next up we have a monument in France. It's known as the Arc de Triomphe. Sorry, I could not show it to you virtually. And here you can see the Stonehenge in Great Britain. So now we'll exit back to home and North America. Here likewise you can see the monumental information, and this is Mount Rushmore in North America. It's actually a museum, and here we can see the Empire State's building. This is the Statue of Liberty from New York. And now we'll go back to the home screen and to Australia. This is the Sydney Opera House, and like the other countries, you can see the monumental information on the Australian page over here. Now we come into Asia, and we will see the it is one of the seven wonders of the world, as was the Colosseum we had seen earlier in Europe. And this is a Buddhist temple. I really like the model and the detailing of the model, and it's one of my favorites. Now we go back, and lastly, South America. This is the Cristo Rey in Colombia, and sorry if I'm wrong about its pronunciation. This is the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, and this too is one of the seven wonders of the world, and so is our next monument. So that's it, that's all our monument. We hope to add more in the future, and thank you for visiting us.
Another really cool project there. That was awesome. A truly around the world experience, says Krish Gupta. I totally agree with you. Very appropriate for the theme, don't you think? Okay, so now let's try another demo. We may even be able to do all of the demos because we're already halfway through the ones we have so far. So let's check out this next project, Easy Travel.
Easy Travel is a collaborative way to discover the world. We're a social media web application that focuses on letting our users share their culture, traditions, and advice for tourists to a global community. Once you've logged in, you're going to notice that this website supports COIL website monetization. We use COIL to prevent spam posts so that we can focus on the main point, which is celebrating local cultures and traditions on a global scale. So once that we've logged in, let's get started. This is the main part of our web application. We use a MongoDB database to store all of the locations data and where the location is in our map. All of these locations were posted by our own supporters that can share their own culture with the rest of the world. We can see more info about each of these pinned locations by dragging our mouse to them or by clicking in them, which will redirect you to a YouTube video. Here I'm going to add a link to a video that shows a traditional Mayan ceremony that celebrates the ending of their civil war. We can add the coordinates to our location, which in this case are 16.9 and minus 89.9. And the name of the place, which obviously is Guatemala. So once you click the submit button, you are going to be able to see the changes done in our map by going back to the main menu and restoring the map that we have just been in. So as you can see, we're able to see our location added in the updated map. By doing so, all of our users are going to be able to see the location that I've just added, and they're going to see all of the info about my culture and the local traditions. And obviously by clicking on this pin, they're going to see a video that shares more about the culture of my location. With this, we hope that we can all share about local activities to do for tourists to not only have a more diverse vacation, but to also promote the economy for our locals. Thanks a lot.
Sorry there, folks. I had a bit of a technical glitch there, but yeah, I definitely agree. I mean, it's a very interesting use of COIL. And I also really like how all of these projects so far, or I guess not all the projects we got for Hack Around the World, but many of them incorporate this idea of discovery and going on a travel journey, especially since this is not something that we can do as easily these days. The virtual aspect makes it a lot more interesting. So I really think that's great. We only have one more project that has been submitted for a demo. So let's play that one, and then we will stop and we will pause. I will go update the slides and we will get started with closing ceremony, okay? So without further ado, let's look at travel memoir.
Welcome to Travel Memoir. This is a blog which people can share their travel experiences and stories. So as you can see here, we have different blogs that we wrote here. We didn't write the text, we just copy paste from the link that's provided in the blogs. So for example, if I open this one, so there's a date here where it was submitted and the person who wrote it. So we have the link as well. So let's go back. And when people want to write a blog, they click this and they have to register first. So I have an account. If you want to create, you can register here. So I have an account. I'm going to log in using that. So as you can see, I am now in my account. So here I can read the stories here. Or I can write if I want to. So to write, I give it a title. This one. And if I say publish, so as you can see, my California experience is here. And now let's log out. And then the third one is we have a puzzle. So here is a puzzle. So the puzzle have some different images. So your task is to make this image. So there's medium and hard level. So, and we have different images. You can change them. So for example, this is the logo of Hack Around the World. I'm just gonna play it. Finally, we want to say thank you.
Very excellent project. Definitely very pretty imagery. Also great that folks are posting their YouTube links. It's awesome to post in the chat. That way everyone can check it out for themselves. But for now, we are done with our demos. So we're going to pause the stream and we are going to come back soon with the winners. So thank you all for demoing. We really appreciate the virtual demos. And now we will take a quick break. See you soon. Okay, I think it's online. We're live now.
There we go. Hello. When are we beginning the ceremony? We're beginning it now.
Oh, that's a great estimate. Yeah. Wow. It's almost like you read our mind, Sidroid. Pretty incredible.
Indeed, right
this
now.
This is good too, though. This is pretty common. It would be pretty common for us to start maybe around 12:15. So that's a good answer too. But
I have no idea what that is in my time.
Oh yeah, I know.
It is 20 to 5 here in the UK.
Oh wow.
Hi.
Almost dinner time then.
Indeed, indeed. Having burgers for tea.
Yeah, it's not quite 9 a.m. in Los Angeles here. So
The joys of time zones.
And I'm probably going to go eat some nice breakfast after this. Make some
Nice.
eggs. What about you all in the chat? Let us know if what kind of time it is where you are, and maybe you're going to eat some lunch or dinner or something. But anyway, so we do have a slideshow here for you all with the closing ceremony. So we should just get into it. So yeah. We just want to give a thank you to all of the hackers, the mentors, the judges, everybody who makes these hackathons possible. Yes, big heart. It's really incredible, honestly, that you all come out every single weekend and put your best foot forward at these events. We really appreciate it. Over 110 hackers checked in. And actually, they produced over 20 projects, which is quite a few projects for the number of people who checked in. Shows that you all were really took the initiative this weekend, which is awesome to make your projects. And now we have some MLH and sponsor prizes. Amy, I guess maybe we could alternate and
yeah, go for it.
Each try presenting one prize. So I'll just recap that we have these prizes this weekend, these overall prize.
It's a very good selection.
It is, yes. And I'll take the first one, which is best domain registered with domain.com. And now for this prize, someone had to register a domain that caught our eye, and the prize will go to Where Can I Travel for wherecanitravel.tech. So nice job with that domain name. Way to go. All right, Amy, you want to take the next one?
Absolutely. So the next is the best use of Google Cloud this weekend. So making best use of those free credits you can get every weekend that we run them. So yeah, the winner for best use of Google Cloud is AR Tourism. So congratulations to you. Well done.
Yes, absolutely. And actually, we saw this on the demos as well. We saw this project.
Fabulous.
So very cool. Okay, next is best domain name from GoDaddy Registry. Very similar to domain.com category. You got to register a GoDaddy domain. And that goes to the Tratis Fly Around project for evendoctorswhohack.study. Very nice.
Very nice, very nice. Was very impressed with that one.
Yes.
Doctor Who being British, great choice.
Gotta love
They knew
Doctor
who was
Who,
judging,
right?
clearly. They knew a British person was going to be judging it. So
Yeah, that's excellent.
congrats.
All right, so next one up.
Yes, next up is the most creative use of Twilio. I love Twilio. I've got to say, I've been doing Twilio Quest, and they rickrolled me. Had to give a shout out to the to the devs, tweeted them. But yeah, most creative use of Twilio this weekend at our hackathon goes to TravelX. Congratulations to TravelX. Well done.
Yeah, excellent job. Okay, so next one will be the best use of Linode. So making great use of those Linode stack. And for this one, it goes to Easy Travel. So excellent job to Easy Travel.
Yes, congratulations. And then moving on to our best web monetization project, making use of Coil's amazing monetization API, we have Easy Travel again.
Wow.
So congratulations, 2 in a row.
Incredible.
Well done, Easy Travel, making use of all of the technologies this weekend.
Yes. Excellent job. 2 in a row. Pretty lucky. Okay. Next is best lifestyle improvement hack for drivers powered by Ford. This is a fairly new category in our lineup, but we love it all the same. So for this category, it will go to the accident prevention system, which obviously very useful for
Very much so, yeah.
Yeah, for anyone who's going.
Really, I was really impressed. I don't know if you saw this one, Stephen, but they were like, do like machine learning, to like recognize from your face if you were gonna be paying attention to the road.
Wow.
Very impressive.
That's really cool. Yeah, I didn't check it out that much, but seems like a very interesting project.
It was indeed.
Okay, great. We also have the MyOctocat winner.
Yes, our MyOctocat winner on Twitter with our friends over at GitHub. There were a lot of good entries. It was very difficult to pick the Octocat, but we did. It was a tough job, but we work hard here at MLH. Make those hard decisions. So yeah, our MyOctocat winner is Mocambo91. That's what I'm going to go with. But yeah, so many things. We've got 2 Octocats. Got Panda, we've got Ellie, we've got Bit the Robot with his little soldering iron. Very impressed with this one. A lot of effort's obviously gone into this.
Yeah, super, super cool. It reminds me of, there's like the Mario game that you can play.
Yes,
where you travel to different worlds.
Super Mario Galaxy.
Mario Galaxy, thank you. Super Mario Galaxy.
I also just love that Ellie's wearing a beanie, just like you.
Yeah,
just chilling.
Just chilling as elephants do. Excellent. Okay, great. So that concludes our sponsor prizes, but now we're going to move on to more of like our hack around the world focused prizes. So these are like the overall and also the like some other like hack around the world categories. So let's get into that. The first one is my first travel hack. So this category is based largely around folks who are just getting into the hackathon world and helping out in that way. So that goes to Hyperstream. So congratulations, Hyperstream, for making your way into the hackathon community and with a great project nonetheless.
Brilliant. And then the next Hack Around the World specific prize category, we have the International Celebration Hack. So this was looking at all the diverse cultures around the world and across our hackathon community and just building a hack that really celebrates all of that. And so the winner for International Celebration Hack is Know the Place. So congratulations to you. Well done.
Yeah, big applause. Okay, so now we move on to our overall categories. So we have our third overall project, and that goes to Easy Travel. Once again, Easy Travel.
She's getting all the prizes.
Yes, our judges really appreciated your project, and evidently you worked really hard. So congratulations on a third overall.
And then moving on to second overall this weekend, we have Where Can I Travel? So congratulations to the team at Where Can I Travel? You've got a second place prize.
Yeah, absolutely. Congratulations. Okay, and finally, I guess I have the honor of giving, not giving, but announcing the first overall prize. It goes to iStable. iStable, congratulations to your team. I feel like this was just really an incredible project and totally deserves first place.
I would not even know how to start, going about trying to create a self-balancing robot. That's just
totally incredible.
Massive congratulations to iStable.
Mm-hmm. Well, those are all of our prizes that we have to announce for this weekend. And congratulations to any hackers who won. I also like to say congratulations to anyone who didn't, because you still came through the weekend. You survived, you learned things, you built great projects, you demoed. So
I have attended far more hackathons than I have won.
Oh my gosh, me too. 100%.
Yeah, absolutely. And all of you that did submit, you'll be getting your iDemoed sticker to show off the fact that you made it through Hack Around the World. So congratulations to you all.
Very, very true. Okay, so you can sign up for the celebration at hackpack/hackaroundtheworld. Get your swag using our check-in form. Make sure that you fill that out so we know where to send your swag. And as Amy mentioned, we've got iDemoed stickers for anyone who did submit to DevPost. I think that's all of our slides for this, but we do have some other ones, like the fun doesn't end this weekend. We have Hack-O-Lantern, which I think I'm also at Hack-O-Lantern next weekend, so I'll see you all then. This is because in the US, we have a Halloween, which is a holiday that happens on October 31st. So this is kind of a reference to that, I guess,
Just strictly pumpkin themed. No other ghosts. Just jack-o'-lanterns, just pumpkins. There we go.
Got some spider webs, some bats, some lollipop
Yeah.
candies. So it'll be really fun time. And we've got Agent Hacker on November 5th through 7th. So if you can't make it next weekend, no worries. Basically, every weekend we have a hosted by MLH hackathon. Hack the Fit as well will happen if you're busy.
Just keep coming, guys. We just every weekend. That's how much MLH loves you all.
Exactly. And actually, someone asked in the chat, can we share the links of HackPack in the chat? So yeah, I'm happy to do that. Let me post one in there. We have hackpack/hackaroundtheworld. And I think the other one was...
I've got you for the other one. Around the World. Check it. Oh, we did the same one. You were just so speedy.
No, we didn't. We did different ones.
Oh, I'm thinking they were doubles but it's not. It's Twitch and YouTube. There we go.
No, yeah, you helped me out there. That's awesome.
Yeah, we're both pretty quick typers. You've got to be,
Yes, we are. We should have a typing race.
We've got to be top speeds.
I know. I've thought about that sometimes for a mini event. We can maybe do a typing race because there
That
are
would be so good.
some cool ones that you can do online. But anyway, thank you to everybody once more. And that concludes our closing ceremony. See you next time.